Jai Gurudev children. Beta, in last period we are doing chapter number 8, that is equation. Today we are going to do rest of the question from that chapter and some more question we will do for our personal practice. Okay, so that you can understand that chapter because that is the basic of the algebra. Okay, till E part I have completed and I told you to do the F part, but I am not getting any response from you. That's why I am going to discuss F part also with you. See that what is the F part of that question from exercise number 8. Okay, 8.1. 32 minus x is equal to 71. I told you better at that time that you will make the variable free. Means along with the variable, no arithmetic term should be there, then only we can get the value. Here we are learning trial and error method to solve the problems. Okay, see that beta, here plus 32 is there. So what you will do? Subtract 32 from both sides. From both sides. So it will become 32 minus x and minus 32 is equal to 71 minus 32. Okay. So 32 and 32 will become cancelled. So minus x is equal to 11 minus 2, 9. And here it will become 6, 6 minus 3, 3, 39. So x will be equal to minus 39 and this will be your answer. So in this way we are solving the equations. See that one more part, G part of the question. 5 minus x is equal to 1 upon 2 plus x. Only one side we need variable, or from one side we will remove the variable. Because if the variable will remain both the side, then how we can get the value of the variable. So from both side we will remove the variable. Okay. First of all, I am removing variable from this side. Okay. I don't want variable here. So from here I am removing variable. So here it is minus x. Same operation as in arithmetic part we are doing. Same operation we will do in the algebraic part also. So I don't want x here. So by here minus x is there. So what I can do? Add x on both sides. X on both sides. Okay. So you can see that 5 minus x and plus x is equal to 1 upon 2 plus x and plus x. Okay. Plus x. Now see that beta, minus x and plus x will become cancelled. So only 5 will remain here. So 5 is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 2x. Okay. Now what we want? We don't want here 1 upon 2 because we would like to make variable free. Here it is plus 1 upon 2. So what you will do? Subtract 1 upon 2 from both sides. Subtract 1 upon 2 from both sides. Okay. So what it will become? See that 5 is equal to, like 5 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 2x and minus 1 upon 2. It is 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. These both will become cancelled beta. So here you will take LCM. Okay. And what will come LCM? See that 5 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 2x. Only 2x will remain here. Okay. So here it will become 1. So LCM 2 1 ja 2. LCM will be beta 2. So make this as denominator as 2. So multiply it by 2. 5 upon 1 into 2 upon 2 minus. Here already 2 is there in denominator. So 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 1 is equal to beta 2x. Okay. So 5 2 ja 10 upon 2 minus 1 1 ja 1 upon 2 1 ja 2 is equal to 2x. Okay. So in numerator it will become 10 minus 1 and whole upon 2 is equal to 2x. So what do you want? It will become beta 9 upon 2 is equal to 2x. Now we don't want this 2 here. Okay. We don't want this 2 here. So what we can do, if we will multiply, if in this way 2 will come here in the numerator part, then 2 and 2 can be cancelled. So what you will do, multiply by 2 on both sides. On both sides. So what it will become, beta? 2 into 9 upon 2 is equal to 2 into 2x. So this 2 and this 2 will become cancelled. So it will become, beta, 9 is equal to 4x. Now we don't want this 4 here, okay, on the right hand side. So what we will do, see again that we have now 9 is equal to 4x. So what you will do, if you will divide by 4 on both sides, then 4 and 4 can be cancelled. So see that, divide by 4 on both sides. So see that now, 9 upon 4, because we want to remove this 4 from here, is equal to 4 upon 4 into x. 4 upon 4 will become cancelled. So now 9 upon 4 is equal to x, and this will be the value of x. So see that, beta, in this way you will do the question. See how I have done. Again one more time I am going to explain you so that you can understand. 5 minus x is equal to 1 upon 2 plus x, it was there. So on the both side variable should not be there, then only we can get the value. In any one side you can put the variable, you can keep the variable on that side. Okay, so what I have done, I would like to remove variable from here. Here minus x is there, so I will add plus x on both sides, so that from here it can be removed. So minus x and plus x, and same operation will be done on the right hand side also. So it will become, beta, 5 is equal to 1 upon 2, and x will become, beta, 2x. Okay, so subtract now. We don't want this 1 upon 2 because along with the variable no arithmetic value should be there. So 5 is equal to 1 upon 2. So beta, we don't want this x here. Okay, from one side we are removing. So it will become, we have to add minus x is there. So you add x on both sides. So it will become, beta, minus x plus x, and here also plus x on both sides. Plus x on both sides you will do. So it here minus x and plus x will become cancelled. So 5 is equal to 1 upon 2 plus x, and x will become 2x. Now what is the next operation? Here we don't want 1 upon 2 because we would like to make variable free. Because along with the variable this arithmetic value is there. So you have to remove this 1 upon 2 from here. So plus value, positive value is there. So what you will do, subtract 1 upon 2 from both sides. So in this way, minus it, both the 1 upon 2 will become cancelled, and here it will become 5 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2. So you know to take how to take the LCM. So LCM will be 2, and your aim will be to make the denominator equal to 2. So in first you will multiply it by 2 upon 2, and already in the second part of the fraction it is already 1 upon 2. So no need to do any operation to do there. So it will become, beta, 5 2 is 10 upon 2 minus 1 1 is 1 upon 2. So 10 minus 1 upon 2, that is 9 upon 2 is equal to 2x. So in next time, beta, you can see that here 2 is there. So what we will do, we would like to remove this 2 from here. If in the numerator also 2 will be there, then 2 and 2 will become cancelled. So what you will do, multiply by 2 on both sides. So it will become 2 upon 2 into 9 is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4x. Okay. Now we would like to find the value of x. But how we can find the value of x if 4 is there along with it? So what you will do, remove this 4 from here. So for this, it will be divided by 4, then 4 and 4 will become cancelled. So divide by 4 on both sides. So these logic you have to apply from your side. Now what operation will come? Okay. So divide by 4 on both sides, because this cannot be learned. It cannot be memorized. It will depend on your IQ and your intelligence. Okay. So 9 upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 4 x. So 9 upon 4 is equal to x. So in this way, beta, what you will do means afterwards what the next operation will come? It will depend on your personal practice and your intelligence, that how, what can be the next operation, so that we can, sometimes we need variable free, sometimes we need arithmetic value free, so that we can get the value of unknown value in the given equation. So our aim is to do that, to find the value of unknown variable in the given equation. Okay, now we are coming to the next part of the question. Now see that beta, H part of the question, x minus 4 is equal to 3x plus 31. So you should guess that what can we do in the given equation. So beta, here already 3x is in right hand side and here x is there. So better is that you should remove this 3x. It is positive 3x. So what you will do, you just, or whether you remove from this side, it depends on you. Okay, so better is that you remove from this side. Here plus x is there, so you subtract x from both sides. Okay, subtract x from both sides. Okay, so here x is there, so x minus 4 and minus x is equal to 3x plus 31 or minus x. Okay beta, so plus x and minus x will become cancelled because here plus value will be there. So minus 4 is equal to 3x minus x, 2x plus 31. Okay, now we don't want this minus 4 here. Okay, so what you will do, but before that what you will do, first remove this 31 from here. It is plus 31, so subtract 31 from both sides. Here it is plus 31, that's why we are subtracting. So minus 4 minus 31 is equal to 2x plus 31 or minus 31. Plus 31 and minus 31 will become cancelled. Here what is, apply the rule of integers. Okay, what it will be, when two same sign numbers are always added with their sign. So 31 plus 4, 35, and it will be minus. Now rule of integer you know, is equal to 2x. So in next part we don't want this 35. Okay, here it is okay now 35, but we don't want this 2 now. So if it will be divided by 2, then 2 and 2 can be cancelled. So same operation we will do here in the left side also. So what you will do, divide by 2 on both sides. So what it will become beta, minus 35 upon 2 is equal to 2x upon 2. 2 and 2 will become cancelled. So x is equal to minus 35 upon 2, and this will be your answer. So in this way you will complete the H part of the question. Now come to the beta I part of the question, and what is that? I part, x minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 1. Okay, here x can be, your aim is to make this x free. Here minus 3 upon 4 is there. So what you will do, add 3 upon 4 on both sides. So x minus 3 upon 4 or plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 1 plus 3 upon 4. So this both will become cancelled. So x is equal to, now you should know to how to take LCM also in this way. 4 1 ja 4 plus 3 upon 4. This method also you have learned in earlier classes. If the fractions are in this form, so directly you can multiply here, and whatever the addition will come, it can be written in the numerator part and divided by the denominator. So x is equal to beta 3 plus 4, 7 upon 4, and this will be your answer. So how simply you can do them, but only one thing is there, that you should move step by step, then only you can understand the problem. Okay, now come to the, that is J part, that is the last part of the question. See that beta, now J part of the question is that minus 6 minus 5x is equal to 7x minus 6. So here you can see that first of all we will remove this minus 6 is there now. So what you will do, add 6 on both sides. On both sides. So what it can be, minus 6 minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 7x minus 6 plus 6. So plus 6 and minus 6 will become cancelled. So what it will remain now here, minus 5x. Here minus 6 and plus 6 coincidentally right hand side also they are becoming cancelled. So minus 5x is equal to 7x. Okay. So we don't want this 5x here. Okay. So what you will do, they see that beta, add 5x on both sides. On both sides. So what it will become beta, minus 5x plus 5x is equal to 7x plus 5x. Okay. So minus 5x and 5x plus 5x, it will come 0 is equal to 7 plus 5 beta, 12x. Okay. Now we don't want this 12 here. So if here coincidentally it will be, if 12 upon 12 will be there, so it can be become cancelled. So what we will do now beta, divide by 12 on both sides. On both sides. So what it will be beta, 0 upon 12 is equal to 12 upon 12 into x. So 12 upon 12 will become cancelled, and 0 upon something I taught you that it always comes 0. 0 is equal to x, it means x is equal to 0. So in this way you will solve the problem. So it is not difficult beta. Okay, do the step, don't miss, step by step you have to move, then only you can understand the problem. One or two more extra question I am discussing with you, and then I will give you the some homework question. You just do them, practice. Okay, then only you can understand. See that beta. Now some few more questions we are going to do here in this exercise, so that you can understand the chapter. But be very serious while you are doing this chapter. Okay, and see the question very carefully, then only you can understand. Okay, and be concentrate while you will do the question. See that beta, one question is that 6x minus 3 is equal to 21, and we would like to value of x. Here minus 3 is there, so what we will do, add plus 3 on both sides. On both sides. So what it will become beta, see that 6x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 21. So minus 3 and plus 3 will be cancelled. So 6x is equal to 21. Here 6 is there. So if we will divide it by 6, then afterwards x will become free. So what you will do, divide by 6 on both sides. On both sides. So what you will do, 6x upon 6 is equal to 21 upon 6. 6 and 6 will become cancelled. So x is equal to 21 upon 6, and this will be your answer, because 21 is not coming in the table of 6. So whatever in fraction form, it will be your answer. Okay, one more question I am going to do. See that afterwards I will give the question to you. Okay, 5x is equal to minus 3x plus 56. Okay, here both the side x terms, yani variables are there. So what we will do, from one side you just remove the variable, only one side you should go. Here arithmetic value is also there, so remove this x from this, means algebraic term from here. So it is minus 3x. So what you will do, add 3x on the both side. Add 3x on both sides. So see that beta, what it will become now, 5x plus 3x is equal to minus 3x plus 56 or plus 3x. Minus 3x and plus 3x will be cancelled. 5 and 3 will be beta, 8x is equal to 56. Okay, now we don't want this 8 here, so divide by 8 on both sides. On both sides. So what it will be now? See that 8x upon 8 is equal to 56 upon 8. 8 and 8 will become cancelled. So x is equal to 8 7 is 56. So x is equal to 7, and this will be as your answer. So see that how simply you can solve the equation. Okay, but do step by step. Again, that's why more and more time I am saying you that do the process step by step, then only you will reach the answer. Okay, suppose one step you have completed and is immediately you are moving to the second one, in this way you will not get the answer. Okay, first remove one step completely and then move to the next step. See that now some question we are going to do here. Beta, whenever equation is equal to sign is there and both the sides minus term is there, and afterward no any other term is there, you can see that here this 3x algebraic term is also free. Along with this no any other term is there. Here also no any other term are there, and both the side minus is there. So in this way from both side minus and minus can be cancelled. So what it will become, beta? 3x is equal to 21. 4. So now we would like to find the value of x. ओके, हमको क्या करना है, इस x की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी वांट if it can be divided by 3, then 3 and 3 will become cancelled. So what operation we will follow here? Divide by 3 on both sides. On both sides. So what it will become, beta? 3x upon 3 is equal to 24 upon 3. 3 and 3 will become cancelled. Or 3 8 is 24. What it has remained here? X is equal to 8. And in this way, x is equal to 8 will be your answer. See that now B part. Means B part. That is minus 4x is equal to 196. Okay. Here you can see that they are in multiplication, no any other term. Here it cannot be cancelled because here on the right hand side no minus sign is there. So whatever answer will come, that will be the negative. See that now what we will do, here we don't want this 4. So what you will do, divide by 4 on both sides. Okay, so do minus 4x upon 4 is equal to 196 upon 4. 4 and 4 can be cancelled. So minus x is equal to, beta, 4 4 ja 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, see 4 9 ja 36. Minus x is equal to 49. Minus x is equal to 49. So x is equal to, beta, how much? Minus 49, and this will be your answer. So in this way you will complete the question. Now some question I am writing here for your homework. So you will do those question yourself. Okay, you will do those question yourself, and these extra question also should be in your copy. See that I am writing some question. On the basis of these two question, I am writing one question for your homework. That is, first I am giving on the basis of these two question. Okay, 5t is equal to 125. So what you will do, divide by 5 on both sides, so you will get the value of t. Okay, and then B part is 15x is equal to 60. These are same as these two questions, and whatever we have learned on the basis of that, now I am going to do 6x minus 3 is equal to x upon 5 plus 26. You will do one part, 1 x upon 5. Okay, x upon 5 plus 26. And one simple question I am going to give you, that see that 2x plus 4 equal to 10. So do these 4 parts as your homework, because most of the question I have not given any homework to you in this exercise, and better is that first do all these question in your homework, and then what you will do afterwards, revise the question. If you have done, once your exercise completed, you have watched the video carefully, noted the solution also, and afterwards do the exercise yourself and see that whether you are able to understand or not. Okay, and thank you beta. So in this way we have completed chapter 8. Thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.